seems like everybody has one of those electric spin brushes and they're showing how well it cleans up your bathroom. So I got one, but we're not gonna try it out in the bathroom since we already know it does an amazing job. We're gonna test it out on something else. Here she is. So let's try it out. My rug is in such bad shape. Let's give her some TLC. First, I wet her down and then poured out some soap and then hit it with a spin brush. Now I did speed this part up. I figured you guys would not want to watch 10 minutes of me cleaning this rug, but this honestly was so fun and it was really cool to watch it transform right before my eyes. Are y'all seeing this? The difference is insane. Let me remind you what it looked like before. And here it is now. Ooh, that looks so good. Now let's try it on something else. Now I think we all have this in our house though, right? So for this, we're gonna try the smaller brush so we can really get into those tight areas and get it nice and clean. And here it is again, before and after. I'm convinced. Sold. You need this. You need it. Go get it. Link in the bio.